Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can connect Printify with Amazon. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for printify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the store feature at the top left corner and then select Manage Stores from the drop-down menu. Now, click on Add New Store at the top right corner and you will see all of the available platforms being displayed. You may notice that Amazon is not available on this list, so you will need a website like Order Desk to link Printify and Amazon. Simply navigate to the Manage Integrations feature from the left side menu and make sure to enable Printify. After that, look for Amazon and click on the Enable button. Now, click on the Connect to Amazon button and sign into your account to continue with the linking process. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. So that's basically how you can connect Printify with Amazon. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.